with prayers to Ma Sharda. Today we will discuss electric field due to a system of charges. Yesterday we discussed electric field and its intensity. Let us have a quick revision. What is electric field? Any charge produces its effect surrounding it up to certain area. That is called electric field of that charge. Okay, and in order to measure it, we define electric field intensity. Suppose I want to find electric field intensity due to this charge at this point. Okay, I should put here a unit positive charge, and force on unit positive charge due to this charge at vector position vector r or distance r, okay, is called electric field intensity by this charge at this point. This charge is called source charge, and the charge we put here to measure intensity is called test charge. Test charge should be as minimum as possible in order to there must be no effect of it on the source charge, okay, field of source charge. And the formula for electric field intensity due to a point like charge was 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q, that is charge, this charge, upon r square, that is r is distance, upon into r cap. R cap is unit vector in this direction. Okay, this was the electric field intensity due to a point like charge. Now we have 4 point like charges. Okay, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, 4 point like charges. Okay, now they have their own position vectors with respect to O. Okay, with respect to origin O, position vectors of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 are vector R1, vector R2 up to vector Rn. Here we have considered 4, but there may be many charges that I have not shown here, because if I show here the position vectors of these charges, the figure will be very complicated. Suppose O is here, suppose, okay, O is here. Then position vector of this Q2 is R2. Position vector of this Q1 is R1. Now if I draw all these position vectors, the figure will be very complicated, so I won't draw it, okay. Now I have to find out electric field intensity due to this system of charges at point P. Okay, point P is the position vector of point P with respect to Q1 is vector R1P. Draw here vector, because we have written here vector R1P. In many books the figures are not correct. Okay, so please draw correct figure. So R1P vector, so I have to draw here R1P. Now electric field intensity due to Q1 at point P is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1P square into R1P cap. Okay. Similarly, Q2 with respect to Q2, the position vector of P is R2P vector. Okay. Draw here vector, and the formula is E2 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 upon R2P square into R2P cap. Okay. And now first of all, what we will do? We will add these two. Okay, one by one, step by step, we will add all vectors. So first of all, add these E1 and E2. Draw a parallelogram, line parallel to this, line parallel to this. This is diagonal. This gives the resultant vector of vector E1 and vector E2. Now comes E3. Okay, that is electric field intensity due to Q3 at point P, which have position vector R3P with respect to Q3. Now if I put here a unit positive charge, this Q3 will offer repulsive force. So this is E3, okay, that is electric field intensity at point P by Q3, that is E3. Now this is sum of E1 plus E2. I have to add E3 in it. So draw a parallelogram having adjacent sides this and this. Okay, so this parallel to this parallel to this. So this is diagonal. This diagonal gives us vector sum of E1, E2 and E3. Now comes Q4. Okay, the position vector of P with respect to Q4 is R4P. Okay, and if I put here a unit positive charge, Q4 will offer repulsive force. This is E4. I have to add, this was E1 plus E2 plus E3, and I have to add E4 in it. So I have to draw a parallelogram having adjacent side this and this. So I have to draw a line parallel to this and parallel to this. This is final diagonal, that is E. That gives us, actually in this figure it gives us, according to principle of superposition, okay, the resultant field is vector sum of fields exerted by all point like charges. So here E equals to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4 in this figure. Okay, but in general, if there are so many charges, what to do? E at R, what is R? RA is actually position vector of P with respect to origin, equals to E1R plus E2R plus dash 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 plus up to ENR, equals to, therefore E at R equals to, therefore E at R equals to. Now see, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is common, so I have to write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket this Q1 upon R1 P square into R1 P cap plus Q2 upon R2 P square into R2 P cap plus dash dash plus up to Qn upon Rn P square into Rn P cap. Okay. Now this can be written as, in short form, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into sigma, okay, I is from 1 to n, Qi upon Rip square into Rip cap. This is final formula for E at R. Okay, this is the final formula. E at R equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught sigma of, let us write here again, okay, E at R equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught sigma I is from 1 to n Qi upon Rip square into Rip cap. If I put here I equals to 1, I get this term. If I put I equals to 2, I get this term, dash 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 up to I equals to n. Okay, so prepare this. Bye.